Today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and customize tables in Google Slides. If you want to present information in a structured and visually appealing way, this guide is perfect for you. Start by opening Google Slides in your web browser and signing into your Google account. This ensures your work is saved automatically and accessible anytime. Once logged in, you'll see the home page where you can start a new presentation from scratch or choose a template for a polished look. For this tutorial, we'll use a blank presentation. With your slide open, click on the Insert tab in the top menu. From the drop-down, select Table. A grid will appear, letting you choose the number of rows and columns. Adjust it to fit your information needs. Once inserted, you can resize the table by dragging its edges to fit neatly on your slide. Google Slides also allows you to customize your table extensively. You can change cell background colors, adjust border widths and colors, and modify text alignment to improve readability and aesthetics. Experiment with these options to create a balanced and visually appealing slide. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can add tables that make your information clear, structured, and engaging. Practice these tips and your presentations will look more professional and polished. Happy